Okay, I think we got the mouth where we need it. Taking some more out in here. Rounded this down some more so it doesn't catch. So we're going to take our 2 eye hooks. I made a pilot hole here. So we're going to put these 2 in. This is for the string to attach to. That's going to be for our spring. So we're going to check our alignment with this and see if it opens enough. I think we're okay now. Now we're going to screw the mouth back on and see if it opens up enough. You want to make sure this part probably takes the longest of everything because you want to make sure that it will open and close properly, that after you get done painting it and putting it all back together, if it doesn't open and close properly, then you got to tear it all out. So this is one